I think my story of invisibility is really a story of invisibility for kind of the communities that we work with. So I work with Apano, we work with Asian American and Pacific Islander communities that are, often marginalized and just feel invisible as communities. So my job as an advocate is really to bring voice to those communities, especially in kind of public decision making. But at the same time, it's kind of tokenizing, and I often feel invisible at a lot of places. I go to decision making tables or councils or committees, and I'm generally the only Asian American person there. So yeah, I think that's a place where I often feel tokenized or invisible, and I think that's why it's so important that we develop new leaders from immigrant communities to participate in the public discourse here in this country. So yeah, I'm just really happy to be doing that kind of work and partnering with institutions like PCC to help create the next generation of leaders that really reflects the new Portland that we live in. Yeah, it's just been a real privilege. I'm an immigrant or child of immigrants myself, and I grew up in Chinese restaurants, not unlike the ones nearby here. So be able to do what kind of work I do now is really rewarding and also challenging. So yeah, I guess that's where I kind of feel invisible sometimes. Thanks.